So guys, another day, another tambay. For today's tambay, home gym muna tayo. Palakas muna tayo ng katawan. So, after ng mahabang pahinga at maraming kainan last month, let's go! That's the end for today's tambay. See you again on my next adventure. Tambay. Hulot out.